8th grade science, these are the directions for how to do your study guide for Unit 3. So if you look at that, I have that pulled up. It'll be on Google Classroom. This one is a little bit different because we linked some of your notes here at the top just because there is, I wouldn't say a lot of ideas, but there's a good chunk. And it's also been, 5-ish weeks since we've gone over some of these things. So if you, my computer is being so slow right now. I'm so sorry. But what you're going to be looking at when it loads, and I bet if I hit refresh, it'll freak out. But let's do it. When it actually loads, you're going to see different notes linked at the top, and that'll make sense when it loads here. And the notes that are linked at the top, these are actually notes from Miss Unruh, who makes her own style of notes, and they're really, really good. And they kind of cover different things that we talked about. The vocab is linked there. It's the same ones as mine, just kind of her version. And then stuff on comparative anatomy, which is kind of like our structures notes, the fossil record, which we didn't actually take those notes at all. You're welcome. And then embryology. So you can use those slideshow notes to help you fill this out, or just your brain. And then again, just like in our normal bell work, it's kind of a mix of defining things as well as finding some examples or explaining some things. This is all different concepts that you guys have already learned. You just kind of have to put it all in this nice, I think usually it's a 2-pager, so it's a front and back assignment. If it'll let me scroll. Yep, there we go. And this will help you prepare for your test. So it's 3 pages. Oh, sorry. If you're one of my students, I always make this a part of your test grade, usually extra credit, though I don't know if I'm going to do that this year, so don't hold me to it. But just please make sure you do this. It will help you on your test. Your test is always worth, it's a really large performance grade. So please make sure you put in the time and energy to prepare for it, and that way you are ready to go. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye. And we'll see if it'll let me end it. There we go.